Here we go. Wow! Nepali Kino TV.
Hi
guys!
guys! Welcome back to our channel, Nepali Pino. It's me again, Shona, and
Prakash.
so for today, we don't have any particular topic for the video, but we just want to share with you our feelings because we are happy that we are
And
finally monetized.
Yay!
And we will share to you also the requirements, how YouTube
Yeah, first of all,
yeah.
which, everybody knows the requirement, but even he doesn't know anything about
You
that.
in YouTube,
Yeah.
like they just watching, but then they don't have idea how the YouTuber are monetized.
Give us money, not monetize. How YouTube people can get from the money from the YouTube.
But first, we will share to you the reason why we do the YouTube.
Yes,
Why?
because we need.
Not like that. Pangit. Now, before, we will share to you because since we are here in UAE, okay, we're far from our only son, our único hijo. From childhood, he used to have his own iPad, okay?
Yes.
For us, the benefit of this gadget is we can see him in the videos they will send to us, yeah?
Yeah.
They
And
will
we
send-
send to him. We'll see him.
Yeah, whatever happening to him, his milestone, or because we're not beside him, we always see him only in videos. Okay, so until he grow up, that he really likes to face on the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
He enjoy to make videos.
Yeah, he likes to do on his own, and he wants to always have camera in front of him.
Yeah.
Okay, and then after that, it comes to the point that we have a trip to Singapore, like family. Yeah,
It's only I think last year only.
only last
Yeah,
year.
2019.
Yeah, so
Yes,
2019.
18.
19.
Sorry,
yeah.
19, yeah.
19. Because we go to Singapore like a gift for him because he graduated in kinder.
Yeah.
So like he moved, the moving up ceremony, we go for our vacation, and then we have a trip to Singapore.
Yeah, it's a short trip, only 3 days.
No,
But,
3 days, 4 nights.
yeah, but we enjoy a lot.
And in the memories, it's different memories that gives to him, yeah. So what happened? From there, it started me to get the idea of uploading the video in YouTube because I want him to see the memory happen to us, yeah, through videos and YouTube. That's my only reason, no, like for him to see and for other people to see our tour, just
Yeah.
like that. And then continuously it happens that I want to upload more and more and more video.
Yeah, and we got the idea.
Yeah. So we uploaded what happening to us or his previous videos also. If you will
Yeah.
notice that there is like baby video,
Yeah, too
Yeah.
many videos.
too many videos, and then come to idea that how come other YouTuber or other videos has this
Advertise.
advertisement,
Yeah.
advertisement, and
We're curious.
what is the benefit or making video in YouTube? So I make us the curiosity, curious that how they are getting money or how they are paid by YouTube, yeah. So
Now my curiosity out the text of this.
So we will just also want to share with you like what are the YouTube requirements be monetized. So the only end for the YouTuber is not the YouTube itself, it's Google AdSense.
Yeah.
So the idea is like when you do the YouTube channel, you can immediately register and have an account in Google AdSense so that if you meet the requirements, immediately you will be monetized. But before to be monetized, you have to meet the requirements. One is what?
4,000. Sorry,
You have
1,000 subscriber.
You have to have a subscriber, 1,000 subscriber, and next requirement is
4,000 watch hour
Yeah.
or 240,000 minutes.
4,000 watch hour or 240,000 minutes,
Within a year.
within 365 days. Yeah.
You will take, it's not mean that you will start today, means today is which day today? 29? Yeah, 29. It doesn't mean your requirement 29
July.
of 29 July of 2021. It's not like that. You can make it longer, but you have the requirement through the 365 days. Either from today or tomorrow or after tomorrow. But in the between 365 days, the requirement should be matched.
Yeah. They said 365 days.
But no, people are little confusing. Like before us, also we are not exactly make 1 year.
So for all of the who's fan of watching our son, he has also video saying thank you. So we will share with you.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Hi guys! Thank you for your support. We have now a lot to 2,500 subscribers or 2.5K. I hope you will keep on watching us. Remember, when ads, you don't have to skip ads so that YouTube will give us more money. So that we will hit a lot of subscribers. We will upload more fun learning videos that get a short video. And now, bye-bye, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and watch us next time, and click the bell over here in my head. No, here. If you want to get more notifications about our videos. See you to the next video. Bye.
Yeah, don't give up. And every day, every people also we thinking that it's not possible.
very
It's very
difficult.
hard. No, but
We did it.
Yeah.
Yay, finally. So, the saying, if there is a will, means you're willing, there is a way.
Yeah.
You have to find a way.
there is many ways.
What many ways?
You convince your
No.
friend, your family, you spread the word.
Yeah, spread
Means,
your channel.
1 to 2, 2 to 4 like
But
that.
you have to create like fun and
Yeah.
learning and interesting
Yeah.
video. Not that
Yeah.
though before we don't know how to
Yeah.
edit videos or make nice one, but as long as it's entertaining, entertaining and
You have to share
fun,
you have to share your friend and family so that they will share to other like that 1 to 2, 2 is to 4, 4 is to 16. Yeah, the thing is, those more people watching, it's easy to make easy to get the requirement. Means if more people watching, more people are subscribing, so that you will get easy to get the requirement. You can give the tips to them.
no, like tips like as long as you're enjoying, okay, make video which is having fun, interesting, And what? Educational. Maybe
Yeah.
educational because for our child, for our son, he's more on, more on education. He's fan of like giving tutorial even he is a child, He's teaching. He's like a teacher. He's in his videos, he wants to show or he wants to share his little knowledge,
Yeah,
It's like that.
And I think people can watch the tour type video.
So we are also open to comments or ideas or whatever videos you want us to do. Maybe we can do. We'll try. Why not? For you to entertain.
Yeah.
If you have any comments, you can comment down below.
Not,
And then-
not here. In the bill.
In the comment section, comment box. And then the details where we got this cake, I'll just write down below also in the description box. Yeah, if you're interested to have those who are in UAE, in Abu Dhabi, who wants to have the customized cake, they're
Yeah.
making in Mr. Baker.
Yeah.
They have a lot of branches here in Abu Dhabi. Even maybe in Dubai, there's
Yeah.
also Mr. Baker.
Mm.
So, for those who like, I'll just write the description box. Abu Dhabi branch.
And this flavor is very nice.
So, he's also curious what's the taste of this one. So, let's try, guys, our cake. So, actually, we want always have cake because for any occasion, celebration, always we want
Cake.
have cake.
And guys, I love it.
It's the sign of celebration for us. It's a sign of celebration.
Even
Whatever
whatever
occasion,
occasion,
yeah, we have.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Sign of the happiness.
yeah.
So
So
guys,
this
I'll cut the cake for the we are
velvet in the middle ba?
where I cut.
And inside, I think it's vanilla and chocolate.
Oh, masarap.
Mix yan.
Wow! Wow!
Sean, if you're watching,
Wow!
vanilla and chocolate.
Don't worry,
Our Unico is in the Philippines, so otherwise we'll make video together. Let's try. Same lang yung likod.
When? We buy people sim? I have one idea. I think we'll make mukbang of cake lang. Guys, maybe next video. Mukbang 5 kg of cake.
So guys, this is the end of our video. We just want to thank you again for subscribing and keep on watching, and you can share if you want.
And if you want,
We'll be more happy if you
Yeah.
will share.
yeah. And if you want cake, no problem. Come to our house. You are welcome.
So don't forget to like,
And subscribe.
share, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.